5 ways you can use images in ChatGPT. 1. Read and understand menus. I'll just take a photo of the menu. What are the vegetarian options? 2. Understand handwritten notes and mind maps. Take a photo of a whiteboard with a mind map on it, then go and add that file into the conversation. Explain this to me. It will analyse all of the text on the mind map and try and work out what the meanings of it are and then give you a short description. 3. Analyse food. Take a photo of whatever you're about to eat. Estimate the calories. 4. Locate photos. Attach a photo to the conversation. Where is this? Give me the train times from Barcelona to here. 5. Convert screenshots to documents. Open up the camera and take a photo of a document on your screen. Convert this to Excel. Now I can open this in Excel. Which movie featured Will Smith?